Thankfully, the water not that deep in parts of South Florida, but we do have some heavy downpours occurring in several batches. This is kind of that disturbance, the southern edge of it over here we've been talking about for the last several days. Most of the thunderstorms are north of Miami-Dade, so the Keys looking good, but right along North Dade and especially Broward now under the gun. Storms are very slow moving. Heaviest activity right now in northeast Broward, right along 95 there from Pompano Beach through Oakland Park and on down towards Wilton Manors, as well as Fort Lauderdale. In western sections of Broward, you can see the heavy activity now running up to through Davie onto 595, and big storms, slow movers too, coming out of Weston and US 27 headed towards I-75. And you can see the storms extending right into extreme northwest Miami-Dade there near Pensacola and Miami Lakes. This is where US 27 runs into the turnpike. And there's this little feature right here. It's almost like a mini front that is sitting right here. Until it's separating warm temperatures from rain cool temperatures. Until this moves out, these storms are going to continue in Broward. And this is not going to move for a while because the sun's still warming things in Miami-Dade. So it's going to be a pretty stormy evening in Broward. In fact, here's our Broward camera downtown Fort Lauderdale looking back to the southwest. Had another round of storms headed their way, your way. 83 in Miami, 77 Fort Lauderdale, Hollywood, 83 in Key West. 5 on the stickiness scale. Fairly humid, 67% south-southeast breeze at 14, gusting to 23. Only 1/1600ths of an inch of rain at MIA, but much heavier amounts, over 2 inches in Fort Lauderdale. Here are the winds now. They're pretty chaotic across the area. The temperatures, the peak wind gusts rather, from the thunderstorms well over 45 miles an hour in Pembroke Pines. And there is that disturbance that we were watching, the non-tropical disturbance, but lots of deep moisture with it. It's going to continue to move to the north. Computer models indicate it's located right about here now, and we're right on the edge of that deepest moisture. But watch what happens. The disturbance moves away, but lingering moisture lasts through the weekend. And in this type of pattern, it favors steamy, sunny mornings and strong afternoon storms, and that's probably going to be the rule Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, even into next week. Evening storms, downpours in spots, mainly in Broward and northern parts of Miami-Dade. I'd say at least north of the Dolphin Expressway. Low near 74 for tomorrow. Look for steamy sun, storms develop. Everybody in Miami-Dade and Broward under the gun for some heavy late afternoon storms. High temperature right around 90. For boaters, winds south-southeast, averaging about 15 to 20. Seas running 3 to 5 feet. A moderate chop on the bays. Through the weekend, summery, steamy humidity and summery afternoon storms. Back to you.